Hi class, it's Miss Housen, and this is a tutorial to the assignment I told you about in class. So right now, we are on the introduction page of my website, and this is basically telling you what we'll be doing. So, reading and learning about gorillas. To learn more about the assignment, you can read this, which is very, very brief. We'll be practicing our identification skills and ability to write short summaries. But to learn more, go to the task page. So this is an in-depth summary of what we'll be doing. We've been working on identification skills in reading, so identifying characters, setting, narrator, and themes, as well as writing summaries. So we'll be doing just that for a story I attached called The Yellow Gorilla. You'll read The Yellow Gorilla and you'll answer some questions in your school journal, and then you'll read another story of your choice and answer the same questions. We'll also be watching a video and reading an article about gorillas, and you'll have to answer 3 questions about them. So click on this link, and this takes you to
The Yellow Gorilla.
The Yellow Gorilla, and you click these arrows and you'll read the story. Once you're done, you will answer these 5 questions in your journal. You'll tell me who the characters are, what the setting is, what the problem the gorilla faces is, and you'll also provide a 3-sentence summary, as well as an illustration to go along with that summary. So all of these questions need to be answered in complete, complex sentences with punctuation and capitalization. So be sure to do that. Then you'll click here, and this will take you to another version of The Yellow Gorilla, which you don't have to reread. You do, though. What is this? Go back. You do, though, have to read one of these stories that you can choose from. And you can choose whichever one you want. You just have to read one.
The Yellow Gorilla.
And then answer the same 5 questions, only this will pertain to that story. So you'll tell me who the main characters of the story you chose was, the setting of the story, the problem the problem or the theme that character faces, a short summary, and an illustration to go along with your summary. And once again, these all have to be in complete, complex sentences with punctuation and capitalization. Next, we'll click here, and no, that takes you to the other site. Ignore me. Click here and go to this website and read about gorillas. Once you're done reading this, you go back and click on this, and this will take you to a short YouTube video about gorillas.
Animals, mammals,
So I want you to watch this video
gorilla,
and then answer 3 questions that I provided. So I want you to tell me where gorillas live, I want you to tell me what they eat, and what temperatures they live in. Additionally, I want you to provide me with 3 interesting facts that you learned about gorillas from the website and the video. These also need to be in complete, complex sentences, and I want them to have punctuation and capitalization, obviously. This is how I'll be grading it under evaluation. I'm grading you on 3 things: the illustrations, the content, and the grammar. So you can read these to determine how you will get points. So if your illustrations are very, very bad and don't have any creativity, and they're not in color, and there are no themes present, and it doesn't pertain to the story, you will get 1 point. You'll get 2 points if they pertain to the story, but there's little effort present. You'll get 3 points if the pictures pertain to the story and the summary, and there's good effort, but there's a lack of color. And you'll get full 4 points for excellent pictures that have pertained to the story, are colorful, are accurate, and show excellent effort. So if your questions are unanswered or incorrect and there's not enough information, you will get 1 point. If some questions are unanswered or incorrect and there's not enough details, you will get 2 points. You'll get 3 points for correct questions, correct answers. Well, I said actually you will get 3 points for complete answers when they're all answered, but 1 or more is incorrect. And the answers you provide are detailed. Lastly, you'll get 4 points if they're all correct and all answered and all written in detail. If you forget punctuation and capitalization, you will get 1 point. If the sentences are incomplete, you will get 1 point. You will get 2 points if you use incomplete sentences once or twice and you forget to capitalize or punctualize once or twice. Also, you will get 2 points if your sentences are not complex. You will get 3 points for using complex sentences and everything is capitalized in the use of punctuation. Oh, you'll get 3 points, I'm sorry, if you don't use complex sentences, but everything is capitalized and the punctuation is correct. You'll get 4 points for complex sentences, correct, complete sentences, and everything is properly capitalized and punctualized. So take a look at this when you're filling out your journal to make sure you know what I'm looking for. And be sure to bring that journal to class. See you guys Monday.